AllCoastLawncare.
Hey, how's it going? Just want to show you an upgrade on my 12-foot trailer. I had these trimmer racks. I just haven't had a chance to put them on. Well, I finally put them on. I've always had a chance. There's 24 hours of the day. I just been, I guess, lazy. Just been complacent. I just been throwing my string trimmer and edger inside the back of the pickup truck. But finally got these racks put on, so here they go. So these racks are from Trinity Iron Images, right there. All right, these are the reason why I like these because I like these racks because they're iron all the way around. You see that right there, all the way around it's iron. All right, and it's one locking bar, right there. One locking bar, one lock. Put the lock right there. All right, I had these racks on my my 8-foot trailer. All right, but I got this 12-foot trailer. I use sometimes when I take both mowers out, you know, or if Justin has the other trailer with the mower, I got this trailer with the mower, you know, so we're running 2 trailers and with the mower each. But yeah, I love these, y'all. These are good. Got some bolted right here. I had to drill because they're not perfectly aligned with the trailer. I had to drill a hole right here and a hole right here. See the hole right there, the pre-made holes, but they weren't aligned with the trailer. But yeah, y'all, I love these racks. They're nice. All right, I'm more efficient now. I ain't taking them in and out back of my pickup truck. Or I could have them right here, real nice, looking professional. Here's a blower rack I just put on for the Manpack blower. Instead of drilling holes, I put U-bolts on there right now because I'm not sure where I want it at. Okay, we got the fall. We're in fall right now, so we got some leaf cleanups. So I'm gonna be taking my backpack blower, you know, like taking it out on cleaning some yards, you know, doing some leaf cleanups, pine needle cleanups. All right, but I just put them on with U-bolts. All right, 3 U-bolts. Already did a shake test. They're on there pretty good. I'll put the backpack blower on there. It fits on there real good. All right. With the U-bolts, I got these nylon nuts. Nylon nuts. Instead of using those regular nuts right there. All right. So putting the U-bolts on there, the metal, it bends all the way. All right, I checked it real good, making sure it's not gonna, what do you call it, like break off. All right, but I ain't gonna put, now for this one right here, you're supposed to like drill holes at the bottom inside the trailer. Okay, but I got like angle iron right here, angle iron at the bottom. I don't feel like drilling too many holes, y'all, you know what I mean? I'll just be jack up the bits. And this is like 1 inch all 4 corners. If I drill a hole right here, I really don't want to weaken the rack. All right, so that's why I just fastened it with U-bolts. It's secured on there real good. I used 3 U-bolts, so I think it's gonna do it. I believe it's gonna do its job. I did a shake test on it. All right, but hey y'all, so this is my my trimmer racks over there, my blower rack right here. I just installed this blower rack today. Trimmer racks, I just put them on there yesterday. So here it goes, y'all. This angle grinder, I'm gonna go ahead and cut this excess off right here with the angle grinder. That's why I got the angle grinder out right now. All right. All right, so hey, hope you like this video. Hope it's helpful. Give you an idea on where you want to put your trimmer racks. Hey, Trinity Iron Images, y'all. Those are Trinity Iron Images right there. Okay, they're awesome. Okay, they're strong. I have them on my 8-foot trailer. Now I got them on this trailer right here. I got my blower rack from these are from, I got the little thing right here. Where is it at? There you go. Buyers Products. All right. Also bought from them a blower rack for a handheld blower. That rack's also for a chainsaw, handheld blower, a hedger. It's a cool little rack. I have it like on one of my previous videos. And I also bought a rack, a little rack for a fuel jug from Buyers Products. So it's a pretty cool company. Look them up. But hey, hope you like this video. Hey, enjoy the fall coming up, and always ear pro and eye pro, y'all. Okay, at all times. All right. And God bless, and see you on the next video. Bye.